Boom.
Hey.
Woo. 3, 4.
How do you exercise it too? How you do now?
Come on, do some arms.
Get away
Do
from
some
me.
arms. Do this.
I got a bad arm. I can't do nothing with mine. All right. Look, go over and get this and exercise with it. Come on, let's go.
Take it off.
Come on. You do it every day?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry. Give me that.
Oh, boy.
Give me that. How long you exercise for? Right now, I'm getting that. Shut that doors up and call it.
I'm on the video.
I know you are.
I'm feeling it.
Like I can't do that.
Well, come on over here and do it.
Oh, girl,
It's
I
ain't
exercise
easy.
every morning. I stand up to that bathroom.
It's a-
Take my
What is a workout?
Go down. Look at it. Let's check out.
Stretch.
I ain't dressed this straight.
On down there.
Where you want me to go to the garage? All I do. How long you do it?
I at least try to do it about 10 times. Well, this will make 20. I lost count. You gonna do it?
I'm not getting
Ooh, these knees.
I know.
I want the dog to move.
Move, duck.
Get that.
Look at you on the miss.
He wanna play.
Move. That's good.
I did all I could do, guys.